Hey everybody, welcome back again. Today is Thursday, April 30th, and we're going to be doing some more science and letter activities today. But we got to remember, we got to talk about our new zoo animal for the day. So we actually have two zoo animals today. We're going to be talking about zebras and ostrich. So zebras, okay, where do you think they live? Yeah? They only live in Africa. Did you know that? Unless they live at a zoo, the only place you'll find them where they're not in a zoo is in Africa. Okay? And zebras, like our giraffes and our tigers, they have stripes that are unique to each one. So none of their stripes look exactly the same. So the way you can tell zebras apart, just like giraffes and tigers, are by their stripes, because their stripes will be different. And then ostrich. Did you know that ostrich are the largest bird in the world? So they're the biggest bird in the entire world. But they're also a bird that can't fly. Did you know ostriches can't fly? They can't fly, but they can run super fast. They can run up to 43 miles an hour. So as fast as some of your cars go when you drive down certain streets, that's how fast an ostrich can run. So they're really, really, really fast. Okay, so that's zebra and ostrich. Now today, we are going to be doing another awesome letter activity that has to do with all the letters in our alphabet. So, if you're really smart, you'll know our alphabet goes A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Okay? So, Mr. Matt has two papers here for you. Now, these two papers have letters that you're going to cut out and then you're going to color them in. So, the instructions are you're going to color in all those letters. Now, do you remember what our letters of the week are this week? Yeah, E, G, K, L, and Z. Now, when you're coloring in your letters, I want E, G, K, L, and Z to be different colors than the rest of the letters in the alphabet, okay? So, you'll color all of them in, and then you're going to cut them all out, okay? So, if you look, Mr. Matt will have it. What he did for his. Okay, so we'll have all our letters that we're going to color in, and then we're going to cut them out. Okay, so Mr. Matt's look like that. Now you see they're all kind of jumbled up. Okay, but Mr. Matt decided that he would color in his letters of the week with the color orange. So those letters of the week are the only ones that are the color orange, and then I colored in all the other ones different colors. Now, Mr. Matt doesn't have enough space to show you guys how he would do this next part of the activity, but hopefully you can find some space somewhere in your house that you can spread out all the different letters on the ground. Okay, now what your job's going to be is you're going to sing the alphabet out loud or in your head or whatever you want to do, okay? You're going to sing it, and then you're going to touch each letter with your foot when you get to it. So when you get to the A, you're going to go find the A, and you're going to touch it with your foot or your toe. And then you'll go B, and you'll go find the B, and you'll touch it with your toe. And you'll go all the way through till you got all the way to Z. Okay, so you're going to do that with all of them. So we're going to run through the alphabet because it's going to be super duper fun. Okay, and hopefully it'll help you get some wiggles out. So that's our letter activity for today, learning out all about the alphabet. So A to Z, guys. So 26 letters. That's a lot of letters. All right, our next thing we're going to do is we're going to talk about science. Okay, so we're going to do a science activity tomorrow, and I want you guys to be able to do it with me. But we're going to ask some questions, and we're going to try to make a hypothesis today. Now, if you remember, a hypothesis is a really, really smart guess that we're going to try to make. So it won't be really something silly, but it's going to be a really smart guess we think could be something that happens. Now, Mr. Matt wants to know what the difference between salt water and fresh water is. What do you think it would be? That's kind of crazy. And another question I want to know is, how is it that a crocodile can live in both freshwater and salt water? So can you guys think of an experiment we could maybe try to do that would figure that out? Let's think. What are some ways that we could try to answer those questions? Mr. Matt thinks maybe we could try a cup of fresh water without salt in it and a cup of water with salt in it, and maybe we can try to mix something in there with it, like maybe food coloring. You think we could mix food coloring in with it? And maybe we'll see if the food coloring mixes different in the fresh water versus the salt water, and that can maybe help us to figure out what the difference is. And why do you guys think? What's your hypothesis on why alligators and crocodiles can live in both. Do you have a good hypothesis? Yeah? Mr. Matt thinks that there might be a way that it can get the salt out of its body if there's too much salt, because too much salt in your body can dehydrate you. So do you guys ever felt really thirsty? That's kind of what it is to be dehydrated. You feel thirsty and you don't have a whole lot of energy. And if you were an alligator or a crocodile, you wouldn't want to feel that way. So maybe they have a way of getting all that extra salt out of their bodies so they can keep living, okay? So we're going to do that experiment tomorrow. So come ready tomorrow to do a science experiment with me, okay? And we're going to figure out if our hypothesis was right or wrong and answer all the questions we had today. So I hope that we'll see you guys again tomorrow. Have lots of fun doing activities and all the other fun stuff you guys do every single day. And we'll see you later, guys.